What's cracking, everybody? It's your boy Kid Fresh. We're out here with another banger. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the Cave Gang movement. Got a mask today, okay. So we're going to the next location right now. Sheesh. Looks like we're at the fair or something. What's up, what's up? So we're leaving the city because it's so hot right now. The cops are escorting us out of here on the freeway. I don't know if you guys remember, guys, but there was a huge accident like last year or 2 years ago with the Mustang right here. Basically, nobody has been here. The camera went out of business and we're back again at the legendary spot right now. Where we at, bro?
At the Cerquemi.
I thought you said we were in Mexico.
Viva Mexico!
What part of Mexico?
Guadalajara!
Hey! It's the active night right now. The lighting in this spot is so beautiful. So I heard that there's a cop outside, but the cop's not coming in right now because there's way too many people doing too many wild activities. We got fireworks. This is for sure Disneyland right here. We're in Disney right here for grown-ups. That Mustang is going stupid wide right now. I feel like it's 4th of July right now. I feel like the world's at war right now. I don't know what the hell is going on right now. I miss CDK. Even on crutches, you have to be here. He knows the vibe.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you. We've been out here for like about an hour and a half. No cops. There was a bunch of fireworks. It's just fucking beautiful. People are just having a great ass time. Alright guys, so we made it to Anaheim Plaza right now. They're doing donuts on this side and the other side. They just came from prom right now to the after party. You missed the last spot though. That should last an hour, bro. Everything happened. Everything happened. You were there?
No, I wasn't there, bro.
Alright, so this is the prom after hour. You're gonna get dirty though. But ya que ya ni modo, that way.
Bro, they're real troopers.
How was prom?
Fucking whack.
Alright, you'll have more fun here, I promise.
Yeah.
Oh, he gave me a gift. I appreciate it, bro. Whose car is that right there? It's just a random parked car right there, and they're swinging around it. Okay. Top of the random car and they're just shooting fireworks off of it. What the hell? Back up, back up, dog. Bacano, bacano. What happened? shit. Jump. Man, they swole him up and little tears coming out. Can't lift no fucking car up.
You thought I was afraid? Get the fuck out the car, my boy. Get out the car, nigga. Get out the car, nigga. Fuck that nigga. Back up. Get the fuck out the car, my boy.
Run it. Run that shit. Run that shit.
Where you going? Where you going, nigga?
Why you doing that shit? Jeez, don't be stealing out here, guys. You see what happens when you're stealing people's shit. We got one cop pulling up right now. All right, guys, so you witnessed a fight. You got the cops pulling in finally right now. We're going on to the next location right now. He's about to do the roundabout. God damn, this is a big ass one. The first to the channel, guys. A roundabout right here, guys. Where you coming from?
Dude, fucking Newport Beach,
There you go, bro. There you go. This is a. You think this is possible? Somebody to swing all this?
Bro, hell yeah.
All right. Here we go. He's trying the roundabout. This thing is huge. Go, 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 back. A little update on the prom people. How are you feeling right now?
Pretty good.
Yeah, you like the other Anaheim Plaza location? How about you? You liked it?
Yeah.
¿Te gustó a ti también? Oh, shit. Oh, they're in style. Let me see them shoes. Sheesh. That's right. ¿Tú también o no? God damn. Look at my...